Hello friends, today in this video I will show you fix Windows update error code is 0x8024401c in Windows 10 or 11. So how to fix it? So it is very easy and the simple methods. So firstly you need to in search bar type cmd. Now right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Now you need to type this command line, this sfc space less scan now. Now hit enter. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be complete. If this process will be 100%, so type second command I will give in description box. So just copy and paste it and just finish. So close it and restart your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart your all problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment if this video worked for you or not.